First mate's steering the boat. She pulled us out. And she's steering us down the harbor. I didn't even say hello to you folks. Okay. Well, that time here. We are headed out. It is Friday. Taking a day off of work. We're going to head down. We were going to go to Catalina, but there's a gale warning out. And it's about 28 gusting to 35 according to the NOAA site at some of the buoys out there. So we're not going to go there. We're going to go out and head south. So we'll be in following seas. And 20-25 knots will be behind us. It'll be a much more comfortable ride. We're going to go south to Dana Point and go hang out there for the weekend. Probably go ashore and grab a bite or two at some of the restaurants and wander around. Our first boat was actually in Dana Point, so we had been down there, and this time we went down there about a year and a half, 2 years ago. So anyway, there you go. Welcome aboard. And you'll be with us for the ride, folks.
They are the paupers. Robin Hood suffocates the whole.
Well, afternoon update, folks. The gale never, well, okay, you can hear the gale. It's blowing so hard it sounds like a diesel engine, doesn't it? The gale never formulated. We've had a gentle breeze all afternoon. My goal was to keep us at least 5.5 knots, which we did with just the engine idling for the first couple hours, but then it died down. So I've got it at about third throttle, and we still have a little bit of wind. You can see we're keeping the jib kind of mostly full, and being that we're running, it's every now and then it'll up a bit. But we're hitting 6.5 to 7.2 knots. So we're doing okay. We're about 2/3 of the way. Right now, about 8 nautical miles from Dana Point. And I'll pan around and show you some scenery here. This is Laguna Hills. Buildings over there, if they focus. That's Newport Beach.
And all those buildings are called Fashion Island.
Fashion
Area.
Fashion Island?
Fashion Island.
Yeah, there you go. Huntington Beach is farther back that way. We passed it earlier. And Dana Point is way up there and is out of focus. There, it's way up right around that outcropping there, little peninsula.
Can't get any closer to this?
Dana Point buoy. I could circle around it if you like. It's a noisy buoy.
Yeah, I don't like this operating system.
Coming into Dana Point. Here's the breakwater. We're coming over into this area and we're fixing to turn down into there. Down at the end of there is where the West Free anchorage is. Maybe we'll get lucky and have a slip for us available tomorrow. We'll see. Beautiful area. We loved it when we had our boat down here. Very nice. Well, folks, we made it to the Dana Point anchorage. Boy, is it tight. It is tight, but we're in about so we're not so much worried about anything happening to make us drift. It's very protected, as you can see. You see this little boy walking out to the boat. So it gets really shallow right over there. The sun's already gone down behind the hill.